What's going on, guys? Just want to show you another one real quick. You know how I love my Asher knives. This is an old one. This is the Asher Grady. This knife came out years ago. It's not for sale anymore. This knife was $62.50. This is a version of the flashback. I apologize. Which I don't have. I don't have a flashback. It's got S35 clip point blade. It's got this blue. It's almost like a denim G10. It's a nice blue color G10. Then it's got a stainless steel clip side. I always thought this was titanium. This looks and feels like titanium. It's got a white G10 back spacer. It's a frame lock, like I said, frame lock flipper. It does have a fuller. I could probably get it if I played. Yeah, I knew I could get it. Fuller works good. Pocket clip. Hardware is all stainless. Got a lanyard hole. It is 7.1 inches open, 4.1 inches closed, and the blade is 3 inches of s35vn. It's got brass caged ceramic bearings. And it's a cool ass Asher. If you like Ashers, this one's sick. Hard to get, fun to collect. Asher Knife Company. Go check out their new stuff. It's super cool. Subscribe, comment, like, share, all that stuff, please, guys. I appreciate it.